Good evening traders, and welcome to BCI's Evening Market Outlook, where we give you a quick roundup of the major market movers today. First up, let's talk a bit about oil. Oil prices came under pressure with WTI falling to a 3-week low at 65.07 and Brent sliding to 68.36. Weak economic data, expectations of rising supply weighed on sentiment. That said, optimism around potential trade deals helped cushion the drop. Investors are betting that improved global trade could eventually lift demand. Technically, crude is still holding within a short-term bullish channel, and buying interest near 65.5 suggests a retest of the 68.5 resistance. On the global trade front, several countries are trying to ease tariff tensions with the US. Bangladesh is eyeing Boeing aircraft to negotiate better terms, while South Korea is offering defense and shipbuilding support. Talks with the EU are focused on removing tariffs on wine and spirits. But that said, a 15 to 20% tariff baseline appears to be forming globally. In gold, prices stumbled to around 33.01 as the US dollar surged following successful trade agreements between the US and EU and Japan. Gold has now dipped below all key moving averages, with technicals pointing to more downside if the $3,300 level breaks. Geopolitics also added some fuel to the markets. President Trump suggested that Russia-Ukraine ceasefire deadline might be shortened from 50 days to just 2 weeks. That announcement pushed oil slightly higher amid renewed supply concerns, but the EU also unveiled new sanctions on Russian oil, including refined product bans and stricter price cap, although those won't kick in until January. And finally, attention turns towards Thursday's Fed decision. Trump is once again calling for rate cuts, but markets aren't pricing in any changes. The real test will be whether Chair Powell holds his ground in the face of political pressure. That's all for today's Evening Market Outlook. We'll be back tomorrow morning with your market open. See you then. As always, manage your risk and happy trading.